Hey there, fellow consumers. Ever wondered why that imported cheese you love suddenly costs an arm and a leg? Or why your favorite electronics brand just got a whole lot pricier? Well, my friends, you've probably fallen victim to the mysterious world of tariffs. They're like that extra charge you never saw coming. Sneaky, right? But fear not, because tonight we're diving deep into the fascinating and often confusing world of tariffs. We'll break down exactly what they are, how they work, and why they matter to you. Buckle up, because things are about to get terrific. Let's cut to the chase. What exactly a tariff? In the simplest terms, it's a tax. Not on your income, not on your property, but on goods coming from another country. Think of it as a border patrol for products, slapping an extra fee on imports to make them more expensive. Governments use tariffs for all sorts of reasons. Sometimes it's to protect their own industries from foreign competition. Other times, it's a way to negotiate better trade deals or even punish other countries. Whatever the reason, one thing's for sure: tariffs have a real impact on what we buy and how much we pay for it. Now, before you grab your pitchforks and march on those tariff-loving politicians, let's acknowledge that tariffs aren't always a bad thing. Sometimes, they can actually be beneficial, especially when used strategically. For example, imagine a country trying to grow its own car industry. By imposing a tariff on imported cars, they make those foreign vehicles more expensive. This gives domestic car manufacturers a fighting chance to compete and create jobs locally. It's all about protecting those homegrown industries and fostering economic growth. Section 4. The downside, when tariffs backfire. But hold on, folks, because here's where things get tricky. While tariffs can offer short-term benefits, they often come with unintended consequences. Remember that imported cheese you love? Well, a tariff on dairy products might protect local farmers, but it also means you're stuck paying more for your Gouda. And it's not just about higher prices. Tariffs can also lead to trade wars, where countries retaliate with their own tariffs, creating a domino effect of economic chaos. Suddenly, that cheap imported steel your country relies on for construction just got a whole lot more expensive, hurting businesses and consumers alike. Section 5. The balancing act: tariffs in a globalized world. So, what's the verdict on tariffs? Are they good or bad? The truth is, it's complicated. Like most things in life, it's all about balance. Tariffs can be a useful tool when used sparingly and strategically, but they can also backfire spectacularly if misused. The key takeaway? Don't just accept tariffs blindly. Ask questions. Understand the potential impacts, both positive and negative. And remember, in our interconnected world, what happens in one country can have ripple effects across the globe. So the next time you're at the store and see a price tag that makes your eyes water, think of tariffs. That extra cost might just be the hidden tax you never knew you were paying. And who knows, maybe, just maybe, armed with this knowledge, you'll be inspired to speak up and demand a little more transparency in the complex world of international trade.